Hello everyone, it's VC Helper here. Welcome to the second video in Python 3.8 tutorials. In this video, we'll be talking about arithmetic operations we can perform in Python 3.8. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll be talking about all the arithmetic operators in Python. Then we'll perform all these operations one by one in Python 3.8 ideally, or we can say Python 3.8.0 shell. So let's get started. So first of all, let's have a look at all the arithmetic operators in Python. First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, fourth is division, fifth is modulus, sixth is quotient, and seventh is exponent. So these are all arithmetic operators. Now the big question lies, what's the difference between division and quotient? Because the answer of both will give quotient, but the major difference between both of them is that this gives decimal value and quotient only gives integer value. So this will be further explained when we will perform both of these operations in Python ideally. Now this is modulus. What is modulus? So if we divide 10 by 4, then we will get 2 as a remainder. So to calculate remainder, we use modulus operator. And we will also be talking about at the end of the video about our main concept in arithmetic operators, that what happens when we divide a negative number, because it's different than as compared to usual and general mathematics. We get different answers in Python and in general mathematics. So stick to the end of the video because it's a really important concept. And last is exponent, and exponent means 3 raised to the power 5 gives 243. So it is denoted by 2 asterisks, as multiplication is only denoted by 1 asterisk. So let's get to the ideally and perform all these operations one by one. So first of all, let's perform addition. 99 plus 55, oh, numlock was off. 99 plus 55 gives 154. 88 minus 55 gives 33. Now let's come to multiplication. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. 72 divided by 8 is 9.0. And 72 divided by 8 is 9. So if you want decimal value like this, apply the slash only one time and you will get decimal value like 9.0. But if you don't want this decimal value, you only want this number, then you have to apply slash two times and your question will be here in integer value. Now let's talk about modulus. 72 modulus 10. The answer is 2, as 7 times 10 is 70, so the remainder will be 2. Now let's come to exponent. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. This can also be performed as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is also 8. Now let's come to the most important part. What if we divide 7 by minus 3 and apply modulus operator? So the answer is minus 2. We expected the answer to be 1 or minus 1, but in Python we are getting minus 2. So let's come to the main concept behind it. I will explain it to you with the help of this image. In this image, as you can see, minus 7 is being divided by minus 3. So first of all, we'll take an example in which minus 7 is being divided by 3. So the first thing that you have to keep in mind is you will get the answer of the same sign as that of divisor. So if the divisor is positive, your answer will also be positive. If the divisor is negative, your answer will also be negative. So in this case, the divisor is positive, so we have remainder positive. Now, let's take minus 7 on number line. Now, assume that this red part, this red outline is a bucket and we have to fill it with bricks. And size of one brick is equal to the size of divisor. So one brick takes 3 spaces. So if we add one brick, 3 spaces are filled, 2 brick fills 6 spaces, and if we add the third brick, the bucket is overflown by 2, and the sign will be positive because the divisor was also positive. Now let's take the second example. In this case, our divisor is positive and dividend is positive. So 7 will be on the right side of the number line, and our answer will be negative because our divisor is also negative. So the same bucket we have this time here. Now one brick takes 3 spaces, 2 takes 6 spaces, and the third one overflows by 2, but this time the sign will be negative because our divisor was also negative. Now let's come to the last example, and this will clear everything up. Now if you have a positive, negative dividend and negative divisor, the answer will again be negative because our divisor is negative. But in this case, we won't be filling our bucket because we know as one brick take 3 spaces, 2 will take 6 spaces, and this time if we add the third brick, we will get a positive answer. But we know that we will get a negative value because our divisor is negative, so we'll only use 2 bricks and the answer will be minus 1 because the second brick is ending at minus 1. So I hope this clear things up. If you still have question, you can write in the comment section And that's all I'll be talking about arithmetic operations. So if you have any doubt, don't worry, just write in the comment section. I will surely guide you with that. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos on Python 3.8 tutorials. Thank you and have a nice day.